What up, internet? It's your boy Off Grid Gamer, bringing you the unboxing of the Phoenix inverter, 24 volt, 1200 Victron Energy. Some people might say it's a little pricey, but the reason it's pricey, one, it has a transformer for inductive loads. Also, Victron has like the lowest standby idle consumption. I think like on standby, this runs like 1 watt. And even the multi-plus runs like 6 watts. But let's look at it. So I upgraded this junk because it's small, but it's heavy. Like I said, it has a transformer inside. It really doesn't come with anything. But the heavy inverter with the transformer, remove this box. This junk is heavy, bro. Let me show you the back right here. So it has that big old transformer right there, because this is a low frequency inverter. That's why it's so big, like I said. And you see the copper right there. It's very efficient, like I said, like 1 watt in idling mode. You can see the transformer right there. It's large and heavy, very efficient. But like I said, the inverter is heavy. You see the copper. We're working with a lot of copper right there. But yeah, this inverter right here, it has a large surge capacity for inductive loads. So it has a transformer in it. That's why it's so heavy. And this is the AC output. 1 plug, 1 outlet on here. And let me, because you got the on-off switch right there. You got the eco mode. Like I said, 1 watt on eco mode. With this inverter being so efficient with the standby load consumption, idling rate, that any other inverter besides Victron, you will be spending a little extra cash on 1 to 4 solar panels. Daily standby use with a cheaper Chinese-made inverter, which I'm not knocking because I'm about to show you one. The standby idling use will be like over 1,000 watt hours. And like I said, this is like 1 watt to like 4 watts off eco mode or whatever. So you do the math. And that's why Victron is a little bit pricier. Okay, this is the reliable Pure Sine Wave Inverter that I got for like $85, 800 watt. And this is the Phoenix inverter side by side. You can see this junk is like light. This is very light. It doesn't have a transformer. It's not for inductive loads. But this is a good cheap inverter right here though. And it will power my 500 BTU window unit AC. But it was beeping. It'll be like, it'll overload. When I put the AC unit on low, then kick it to all the way to like 7 max air for the compressor to jump on, this will start beeping. I had purchased Gandale, however you pronounce it. Gandale, it was beeping like, bruh, it's worse than this cheap $90, $80 inverter. And I had got the Gandale for what, it was on sale for $200. And then I looked back on Amazon like a week later after I sent it back. It was like, I think $270 or $260 something. But this Phoenix inverter right here was like $340. I did send the Gandale back. The reason I got the Phoenix inverter, like I said, it has a transformer for large surge capacity for inductive loads, which means it will push the air conditioner without no problem. Because when I crank up the AC, I think the surge capacity is like 1,500 to like 1,800 watts. And like I said, I think this is like 1,400 watt surge, but the Gandale was supposed to be 2,500 watt surge. It still went into overload. But right here, the Phoenix inverter, it has a transformer. The reason it's so doggone heavy is it's heavy on this end right here. Where that transformer is, it's heavy. You see it. You see it right there. That big old thing right there. But that's so, like I said, for inductive loads like the AC, the washing machine, or whatever, a refrigerator, it will jump start it off or whatever. Me being a beginner at solar and just starting, and after doing all the research, and you see I bought the little cheap inverter right here. But I think Victron, if you hooking up a solar system, I think Victron is the way to go. I know it's a little bit pricier. You'll have to just start off piece by piece. I know this is not a lot of power for some people, but you can get 2 of these. But you can get 2 smaller inverters instead of a multi-plus and save, and just parallel these 2 together. And like I said, the idle consumption, you'll save overall with your battery not being depleted by cheaper Chinese inverter. Yeah, I think Victron is Netherlands. Itchy Boots, shout out. This your boy Off Grid. I'm out.